So, you want to create a flag in Blender. First, delete the default cube. Press Shift-A, go to Mesh and add a plane. Rotate it 90 degrees and scale it along the X-axis to create the shape of the flag. If you want a flagpole, you can also add one by pressing Shift-A, going to Mesh and adding a cylinder. Now, select the flag and enter Edit mode. Right-click and choose Subdivide. In the Subdivide properties, increase the number of cuts to around 50, so the flag has enough geometry to deform properly. Move the pole out of the way if needed, then select the flag and go back into Edit mode. Select several vertices along the top edge and bottom edge of the flag. These will act as anchor points. Enable proportional editing, then move those vertices slightly to the left to create a bit of natural curvature in the flag. If the deformation is too strong, simply adjust the proportional editing radius. Go to the Physics Properties tab and add a cloth simulation. Now we need to create a vertex group for the anchors. With the anchor vertices selected, go to the Object Data Properties, create a new vertex group, name it whatever you like, and click Assign. In the cloth settings, scroll down to the Shape section. In the Pin Group field, select the vertex group you just created. This will pin the flag to those vertices. Next, we need a wind force. Press Shift-A, go to Force Field, and add Wind. Position it so it blows across the flag, and increase the strength to around 5,000 or whatever works best for your scene. You can also right-click and shade the flag smooth for better visual quality. Feel free to experiment with the cloth simulation settings to achieve the look you want. And that's it. You're done.